Let's be real, hindi laging madali ang buhay real estate agent. May times na wala kang client, may deals na hindi natutuloy at minsan parang gusto mo nang sumuko. Pero guess what? Meron akong sekreto kung paano ka mananatiling motivated kahit anong mangyari. So tip number 1, remember your why. Lahat tayo may reason kung bakit tayo nag-start sa real estate. Para ba sa pamilya mo? Para ba ma-achieve ang dream lifestyle mo? Kapag nawalan ka na ng gana, balikan mo ang whys mo. Yan ang fuel mo para magpatuloy. So tip number 2, celebrate small wins. Huwag mong maliitin ang maliliit na victories. Nakabenta ka ng bahay? Good job. May bago kang inquiry? Celebrate mo yan. This small win build momentum and remind you that you're making progress. So tip number 3, surround yourself with positive people. Ang energy ng paligid mo nakakaapekto sa motivation mo. Kaya choose to surround yourself with people who lift you up. Kung nasa environment ka na negative at toxic, baka panahon na para humanap ka ng bagong team na susuporta sa growth mo. So tip number 4, keep learning and growing. Kapag natututo ka ng bagong skill, mas nagiging confident ka at excited ka sa ginagawa mo. Invest in your growth. Attend training, watch videos like this one, at mag-explore ka sa bagong strategies. The more you grow, the more motivated you will be. So tip number 5, focus on helping, not just selling. Kapag ang focus mo ay makatulong, hindi ka agad ma-discourage. Real estate is not just about selling houses. It's about helping families find their dream homes. Pag naalala mo yan, motivation will come naturally. Ayan na ang sekreto para manatiling motivated sa real estate. Balikan mo yung whys mo, celebrate wins, surround yourself with positive people, keep learning, at always focus on helping. Gusto mo bang maging part ng isang team na makakatulong sa'yo para maabot ang full potential mo? Whether bago ka pa lang or isa ka ng seasoned agent, join my team. Tuturo ko sa'yo ang step-by-step process para magtagumpay sa real estate. Comment down below or send me a message and let's grow together.